Hello kids, in this video we will discuss some important terms and NCERT exercise of our first chapter, which is food, where does it come from? First term is food. Food is anything which an organism eat or drink for its survival. Organisms means all living beings like plants, animals and human beings. Second term is ingredients. They are the raw materials which are required to prepare a dish. Means the things which are used to prepare a food item. Third term is nectar, which is sweet juices that honeybees collect from flowers. Fourth term is herbivores. Herbivores are the animals which eat only plants and plants product like cow, goat, buffalo, etc. Fifth term is carnivores. Carnivores are the animals which eat only the flesh of other animals like lion, tiger, fox, etc. Sixth term is omnivores. Omnivores are the animals which eat both plants as well as other animals like cat, dog, human beings, etc. Now we will discuss the NCERT exercise of this chapter. Our first question is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? No. The food requirements of all living beings vary, as different animals have different eating habits based on their body structure. On the basis of food requirements, animals are grouped in three categories. First, herbivores, animals which eat plants and plant products are known as herbivores. For example, cow, goat, elephant, etc. Second, carnivores, animals which eat only the flesh of other animals. For example, lion, tiger, fox, etc. Third, omnivores. Omnivores are the animals which eat both plants as well as other animals. For example, crow, cat, dog, human beings, etc. Second is, name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. So we eat grains of cereals like wheat, rice, maize, etc. and grains are the seeds of plants. We eat leaves of some plants like spinach, fenugreek and mustard. We eat roots of some plants like carrot, radish, turnip, etc. We eat flower of cauliflower. So we can write any 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Third is, match the items given in column A with that in column B. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee, they all are animal products. Milk we get from animals and curd, paneer and ghee is made from milk. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot are vegetables. Lions and tigers eat other animals as they are carnivores. Herbivores eat plants and plant products. Fourth is, fill up the blanks with the words given. A. Tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. So, tiger is a carnivore because carnivores are the animals which eat the flesh of other animals. B. Deer eats only plant products and so is called herbivore because herbivores are the animals which eat only plant and plant products. C. Parrot eats only dash products, plant products. D. The dash that we drink which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats is an animal product. So, milk is that animal product which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats. E. We get sugar from sugarcane. Now we will discuss some extra questions of this chapter. First question is, does everyone around you get enough food to eat? If not, why? No, everyone around us do not get enough food to eat. There are some people who are poor and are not able to buy enough food, due to which they don't get a balanced diet. Second question is, what are the ways we can think of to avoid wastage of food? There are many ways to avoid the wastage of food. Some of them are: ensure that the food is cooked in the limited quantity as needed. Take only the required amount of food in your plate. If needed, you can always go for a second serve. We should use up the leftover food. That food can be easily transformed into tasty dishes, but it should be stored in the fridge. In social gatherings or functions, some means of checking should be done so that the people don't waste cooked food. Third question is, why do we need food? We need food as it provides us energy to do various activities. It helps in growth. It protects us from disease. It helps in repair of damaged tissues. You will write these question answers in your rough notebook and learn them. Thank you.